Alrighty, happy Thursday. Yeah, I'm really slacking on doing these at the beginning of the week or like at the beginning of the first week. But at any rate, yesterday was my Wednesday stream. Finally streamed again. Hopefully get back in a groove with that. But yesterday I was working on sports scorebots, working on the scoreboard, doing some more animations with that. But the past few days, including today, have been setting up this. I think I showed this off in the last video at the very end of it. No, I showed it off, but I didn't show it off up here. It has now been moved up here, up into the office up here. The rack is here. This was the old table that was previously there, which has a 3D printer on it. This is up here. The things have been painted. We have the actual rack things in here. I had to print out these 3D printed spacers here. I think I showed those off as well. But I've also got those in, and I have the tray mounted. I have the Pi's rack mount system mounted, and I have the things that'll be holding the router here because it's a 8-port router. It's not an actual rack mountable router, but I have those there, and it's all ready. The only thing I'm missing right now is some like glide feet for the bottom of this. But beyond that, though, that's why the 3D printer is on top of it. But beyond that, though, it is here, it is ready. I have some of I have the Pi's mounted into the system. I got a label maker, which I'll be using for a lot of things. But the label maker here, as you can see, this one's named Wildcat. This is my Wildcat server, Raspberry Pi. This is the Pi 4 I have. So I have those label maker there for labeling those and whatnot. But beyond that, though, the home stretch is here. The legs or the feet pads should be in either tomorrow or the next few days. So hopefully on Sunday I can sit down, record a video about this, about the process, get that ready for Wednesday, and go from there. So, it's almost here, it's almost done. This week, and also the process of moving the rest of what's over on the workbench over there into here. But for the most part, we're so close. So, anyway, that's all I got for today. I'll see you guys in the next bit. Alrighty, happy Sunday, everyone. I was just about to get ready to record my video about the server rack I'm building here for this Wednesday. However, the windows that are next to this are just way too bright for the camera. Actually looks fine on my phone. So I might try it again and see if I can't get the white balance and the brightness solved for my camera. But yeah, maybe I'll try again. But anyways, that's what I'm doing right now on Sunday. If I can't get it working now, I'll come back just tonight and do it when there's no light behind the windows. Beyond that, though, yesterday was my stream. Spent a good portion of it fighting with Java 16 and various Java environments now. Now that Minecraft 1.17 has moved to using Java 16, I gotta update a lot of my stuff and play around with multiple environments, get my build servers working again with Java 16, all that fun jazz. So yesterday was a lot of fighting with that. I got that working, did some work on my website and with Chance Cubes. So yeah, it was fun. Anyways, yeah, so server is more or less done. I'm still waiting on the feet sliders. That's why the 3D printer is still not on it. But beyond that, though, everything is on here working. Got some cable managing to do, but you know, it is what it is. It'll be a slow progress to go on here. But either way, that's all I have for right now. Yeah, I still need to get better about doing these on a more regular basis. But at any rate, so I got for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Alrighty, happy Monday, everyone. Finished my stream up for the day. Did some work on sports scorebots, getting that kind of all ready. Doing some permission system stuff, getting ready for beta user and all that. So that was my stream for today. But after that, I ended a little early, so that way I can actually record the video for this thing. 3D printers are now on top of it, which means I got the slider feet on it now. So it's basically all good to go. I can start actually assembling things and putting things in it. I did record the video for it on Sunday, which was yesterday. However, I just was not a fan of how it turned out. I had an audio problem at the very beginning of it, and then the video just didn't look that great, so I ended up re-recording it today. It's still, I wouldn't say it's one of my better quality videos, but it's something. Again, I'm still gotta learn. It's not my typical video. I'm not used to doing kind of the one-on-one to camera video stuff yet, so more kind of formal than these are. These are going to be less formal and just moving around and showing things, and they're much shorter. This one was much longer, but at any rate, recorded over here, editing it, getting it going. So yeah, that's basically it for today. I only got really anything else. So see you guys in the next one. Okay, it is now Sunday. Yeah, this week has been kind of just not a lot happening. I think my last update was on Tuesday. Since then, Wednesday, the video for the server rack, which is behind me, that went out. It's been pretty good. It's been working pretty well. I've got the 3D printer on top. It's not plugged in yet. It hasn't been done anything with it yet. So I'll have to kind of see how well it works with the 3D printer on top. But yeah, that went out. The rest of this week has been just been laid back. No, nothing all that incredible happening, I guess. Yeah, I'm getting ready to do a video right now for not this week's. This week will be the devlog, which I'm doing right now, and then the following week will be this one. I'm going over something like how to code better, something like that. So record it now. That way, it's kind of ready to good to go for the following week when it should come out. And I think next week is going to be more or less just working on the Raspberry Pi action camera, trying to get that all good for version 1, so that way I can make the video on that the following one. But yeah, so devlog wasn't much to say about the past few days. That's why I didn't do an update. But yeah, hopefully this devlog is still okay. I'm kind of sad that it's still a devlog mainly about the server rack. I hope that it would be more than just that, but it seems like that's basically the gist of what this devlog is. But yeah, so I think I'm just gonna call it for this devlog. Kind of just testing it. Hopefully this light here isn't too bright. It sucks with how the brightness of this window is here. Gotta figure that out. But yeah, that's I think it's gonna do it for me. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace out.